What is good, YouTube? You already know who it is, man. It's your boy Kyle, and I'm back with another video on Kyle's Hype. Before I get into this video, make sure you guys are new to the channel. You guys do smash the subscribe button, smash the like button. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, not 1,000, once we hit 100 subscribers, I will start doing daily vlogs. So make sure if you guys want to see that, you guys get my sub count up. But today, I got a little interesting topic we're going to be talking about. We're going to be talking about the best sneaker cleaner that's out right now. I'm not trying to pick size or anything, but feel me? Sign me. But, this is the best sneaker cleaner that I have used ever so far. It is Crep's sneaker cleaner. I tried RESHOEVN8R. I tried Jason Marks. I tried all of it, and like Crep has worked the best for me out of all sneaker cleaners. So make sure if you guys trying to clean, I know people out there, like, you get your Jordans messed up, you get your Yeezys messed up, your Rafts, anything you wear, Balenciagas, you get it messed up. I promise you this will clean it. People mostly use Crep Protect. Because Crep Protect, you can just spray it on the shoe and you'll be good. And you can just leave your house. Anything that spills on it, it'll get like clean. I think Crep Protect's like $15 or $10. I'm not 100% sure. We have it in my job. But I've been trying all sneaker cleaners, even on like sometimes if you know Adidas shelters at the front of them will just get yellow sometimes when you try to clean them. This will clean it off. Like I promise you, like anything, any stain, anything you have in your shoe, this will clean it. Feel me? So support. But like I said, guys, this right here is the best sneaker cleaner I've ever used so far. I had my Space Jams. I went to a party one night and my feet got destroyed. And most people be like, use hand sanitizer or use lotion to take the scuffs off or to clean the shoe. Lotion, so your skin. But I tried this Crep Protect and this shit works wonders. This is Jesus urine in a bottle, literally. Like this thing is fire. But like I said, guys, this is the best sneaker cleaner to use right here. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, and stay tuned for more great content. But that's all there is. Make sure you guys share the channel, guys. 100 subs as soon as possible. Actually, 1,000 subs as soon as possible. The best sneaker cleaner right here in the block. Feel me? That's all there is. Kyle's Hype. We out this video.